Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your bowl or lid not recognized on your Monsieur Cuisine Smart. First of all, see if when the lid is screwed on top, see if you can remove the bowl. I can't, but if you can, then the bowl was improperly installed. Let me demonstrate. The bowl is locked in place when the lid is on and can only be removed if the lid is unscrewed or removed. Now you can see it's pretty easy to take it out. Now if I had screwed the lid and then put it in, then it looks like it's in, but I can remove it with no problem because it's locked. The bowl is locked, so it won't go in. In order to put it in, make sure to unscrew the lid, push it in, and close it. And only then both the bowl and the lid will be recognized. You'll now probably hear... No, it didn't play a sound for some reason, but sometimes it plays the sound if you remove the lid or something. Oh yeah, if I'm in a cooking mode, then it plays a sound, and that's how you should fix it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.